Ozone. You may have heard about it. Maybe you heard stories on the news talking about a hole in the ozone layer or high ozone levels. But what exactly is ozone? Ozone is a molecule made up of 3 oxygen atoms. So what does that mean for us? It depends on where you find it in the atmosphere. Ozone is good when it is part of the ozone layer. The ozone layer is within the stratosphere, an atmospheric layer that extends 31 miles high. Ozone in the ozone layer absorbs and scatters ultraviolet radiation from our sun. But when ozone is found in the troposphere, it is considered a pollutant, and that is harmful to human, wildlife, and ecosystem health. The troposphere is a layer within Earth's atmosphere that extends 5 to 9 miles above Earth's surface. So ozone is good for humans when found here, but bad for human health when found here. So why is there ozone in the troposphere, and how does it get there? Ground-level ozone is formed by a chemical reaction between VOCs, NOx, and sunlight. Why do national parks care about ground-level ozone? Parks that are not near industrial or urban areas can still have high levels of ozone. Ozone precursors like VOCs and NOx can be emitted hundreds of miles away from parks, but they can be transported to form ozone downwind, causing high ozone levels in what should be pristine areas. 70 parts per billion is the accepted EPA regulatory standard of ozone, even though lower levels can still be harmful to human and ecosystem health. Ozone is a major component of smog, and so smoggy days tend to also have high or unhealthy levels of ozone too. The overall trend for national parks is ozone levels are declining, like in Shenandoah National Park. Regulations in controlling emissions have made a significant impact, though there are still some parks with ozone levels above 70 parts per billion. Sequoia and Kings Canyon's ozone levels have been decreasing since 1984, but as of 2016, they're still above 70 parts per billion. Regulations have improved things, but there's still progress that needs to be made. Save energy and reduce waste at home, school, work, and while visiting parks with these simple things. Reduce, reuse, and recycle, turn lights off when you're not in the room, and carpool or ride your bike. Saving energy by doing these simple things helps reduce air pollution, which helps reduce ground-level ozone at home and in parks.